Daybreak Saturday, I'm Annie Taylor. As spring break winds down, so do our temps, but just not quite yet. A warm day is still ahead of us with temps in the 80s. Here to tell us more about our weather is Cutter Martin. Good morning, Cutter. So another beautiful day here in Lubbock, but there is a cool down tomorrow.
Yeah, in fact, some areas, our extreme northern areas, will see that cool down starting this afternoon. But for everybody, it looks like the cool down will be in full force beginning tomorrow. So had a nice spring break and now beginning to cool down as we head back into our first week of work or school. But first, we'll take a quick look at Super Doppler HD3. It is a pretty clear morning out there. Not much being picked up by the Doppler. There is a few echoes west of Lubbock, but I think that's just the radar picking up trees and other objects above the ground known as false echoes. Certainly no precipitation this morning. And now as we look at current temps in the region, it is warm to start the day, actually. 40s to the west, 50s in Lubbock, and approaching 60 off of the Caprock. You have lower 40s off to the west of Lubbock, just falling to 49 in Lubbock now that the sun is up, and warmer off of the Caprock. Numerous locations already in the 60s this morning, so that's going to hint to a warm afternoon later today. And now we'll take a look at your winds, and because of these winds is why it's so warm. You can see westerly winds and even a southwesterly component pumping in that warm and dry air from the deserts of New Mexico and northeastern Mexico. And we'll take a look at your day part forecast. 77 at noon, warming to the lower 80s for Lubbock before cooling off this evening, and winds will be on the increase along with those temperatures, gusting to 30 by 3 o'clock. Beginning to calm down by evening, but still gusty. No blowing dust, but you certainly will feel it out there. And highs today, again, 70s cooler north, 80s central areas, and approaching 90 and even exceeding 90 across our southern counties. But looks to be the last day of warm air. 83 today, cooling on Sunday, and cooler on Monday. Annie?
All right, thanks, Cutter. Now let's get a look at news topping local